This tiny device supports millions of treatments every year.
Welcome to Dr. JANNAT Official.
An IV cannula provides temporary vein access.
It supports modern patient care in many settings. Hospitals use IV cannulas in many departments.
Different sizes meet different clinical needs.
Colors help identify cannula sizes quickly.
Each part serves a unique medical purpose. Sterile equipment supports safer healthcare. Hand hygiene protects every patient.
Protective equipment supports safe patient care. Correct identification comes before every treatment. Clear communication builds patient confidence. Comfort improves the healthcare experience.
Veins carry blood back toward the heart.
Knowledge creates confident healthcare professionals.
Clinical skills grow through supervised learning.
Clean environments help reduce infection risks. Great teamwork improves patient outcomes.
Careful monitoring supports patient safety. Technology improves modern healthcare every day.
Accurate records support better patient care.
Patient safety is always the top priority. Trust science, not online myths.
Healthcare begins with knowledge and compassion. Learning never stops in healthcare.
Let's review today's key concepts.
This video is for education only.
Subscribe for more medical education videos.
Stay curious. Stay informed. See you next time.